we're back in Kiroky Fraco's channel, and in this case, Kiroky Fraco isn't here because she wanted her beautiful daughter to be here. So, in this case, we're gonna call it Colette Fraco, and we're gonna be opening this box which Mommy ordered, and let's see what's gonna be inside. This is gonna take a while. Package is from Amazon. So let's do it like this because this is more appropriate. Ooh, look! Sports hoodies, which my mom bought and which I have nothing related in. So I'm just gonna put it here on the side. Another hoodie with a plastic, well, it's something. And here's, oh yeah, here is the Zilzat. Yeah, you can read it yourself here since I'm too lazy to do it. It's a microphone, that's what I can say, but I'm not going to tell what kind of microphone because I'm lazy. And this, which looks like a tiny seat for a dog. It's true! It looks like it! Or a skating ring for a dog like to go. Oh yeah, it's two boxes. You can zoom into that one until I can get this other one out.
This is the tripod.
And here, yeah, here is the ring light. And that is the stand. Let some air get into the bag so it will be easier to open. Oh no. I guess I can unfold this now. And 1, 2, 3, beauty. Look, sweatpants. Oh wait, are these called sweat? Yeah, sweatpants look good, but I don't know. Oh, sweatpants are better. And let's reveal this in an unsoothing way. Reveal. Wait a second. And I'll be putting these clothes on sooner or later. Wow, there are 2 layers. I don't know. Ooh, but I didn't notice this. You see this cute tag? I don't know what is this supposed to be, but I'm not gonna say it because it's a girl's thing. New pants. Ooh, this feels nice and cold. And this one is again a crop top hoodie or just a hoodie. I think this one's a crop top hoodie actually, and I like it. It has this cute logo on it. What does it say? Are you guys ready to see my final look? In 1, 2, whoosha! This is my hip hop look. And I love this look. I'll put on my scrunchie and see how it looks with the scrunchie. Doesn't that look cute? I really like this look. I like hip-hop looks now. I love it. And I'm going to do some posing. Here like, that pair is like, the bottom is like thin-ish thick, and the top is thick. This is thin, this is thick. And I really like this one too. And I got my scrunchie on. Let's see how it looks like without the scrunchie. Normal. But I still like these looks. You can comment down below how do you think these looks look on me. You can say 2 for the red and yellow for 1. This is an extra part of the video. So this is me dancing in my hip hop clothes and no copyright music included. That was all for today's video of unboxing and seeing my cute hip hop clothes. So the last thing I want to say